Today, we're seeing an increase in the amount of patients complaining of hair loss, hair thinning. And one of the easiest and best procedures today to do is called PRP, which is actually platelet-rich plasma. So it is a procedure where we take some of your blood, we super concentrate it, get rid of a lot of the inflammatory cells, and we take the platelets, which contain over 20 growth factors that typically increase after a period of 6 months the amount of hair count and hair density. The treatment time is usually 15 to 20 minutes. The procedure itself is extremely comfortable. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it is a 1. As you see in one of the videos, I've had this procedure performed on myself and felt comfortable. I spoke to the injector during the entire procedure and really had no downtime at all. Treatments need to be repeated once a month for a period of approximately 4 or 5 months. After a period of 6 months, you will see an increase in the amount of hair and thickness in your hair. There's a lot of women that we're starting to see, a lot of men and women that are complaining of constant hair loss, and this is really one of the easiest ways of increasing hair follicle thickness and hair count.